Start off by making sure that the firearm is empty. Do it 3 times just to be absolutely sure. Now you're ready to begin. Hit the magazine release button to drop the magazine out of the frame. Pull the slide all the way back and lock it into place by moving the slide lock lever up. For the next step, you will need a small flathead screwdriver or something to use to pry the takedown pin out of the frame. It doesn't take much to force it out, you just need something to catch the groove of the pin to make it actually happen. You can use a flathead screwdriver or the side of a magazine or something to just catch that lip and pop it out. In this illustration, you'll see the flathead screwdriver being placed in the takedown lever from 2 angles. One angle showing how it looks on the frame itself, and the bottom left illustration shows the point of contact on the takedown lever itself in a blown out proportion. Once you are in the groove, you can pull the flathead in toward you and the takedown pin will disconnect easily. Now you can grab that takedown pin, pull it out of the frame and set it off to the side. Grab the slide with one hand and move the slide lock lever down with your other hand. This now allows you to pull the entire slide off the frame. In the slide is the barrel, spring, and guide rod. Remove the guide rod and spring, and then the barrel. You are now ready to clean everything that you need to clean. Once you are done cleaning everything, put the barrel back into the slide and then the guide rod and spring will follow. Place the slide back onto the frame and move it all the way back and lock it into place by moving the slide lock lever up. The takedown pin can now go back into the frame. Just make sure that the flat portion is in the up position as seen here. It will go back in smoothly with the push of a finger, so no tool is needed. If it won't go in, jiggle the barrel back and forth a few times, and sometimes that will help this pin fall back into place. Now that the takedown pin is back in the frame securely, you are now able to move the slide lock lever down and cycle the slide a few times to make sure everything is functional. Put the magazine back in and cycle the slide again a few times to make sure everything is still functional. You have now successfully disassembled, hopefully cleaned it correctly, and then reassembled everything, and you are back in action.